Good afternoon, Your Holiness. My name is Sarah Cook, and I'm a French major at the University of Washington. My question for you is that some people tend to be less compassionate by nature. Is there a way to cultivate compassion for people in their lives to feel more compassionate towards others?
I believe at the beginning of our life, beginning of our childhood, I don't think there's much differences. Then after birth, from first day and weeks and months, then due to different environment, different condition, may become differences, I feel. Of course, we need further investigation, research. So that's why it is extremely important to provide the young child, to provide maximum affection from parent, and spend more time, the mother, particularly mother, spend more time with the child. And instead of some other milk, the mother's own milk, I think it's much better. So that is the, I think, effective precautions for the method. This is to sustain the affection or compassion as a product of biological fact, biology. Right. So then later, if someone, due to lack of this sort of atmosphere at the initial stage, then becomes something very difficult. Then how to deal with such people, such child? I don't know. I think expert may have something to say. Otherwise, I don't know. If I met such things, then I may take drastic measure. Because I may lose patience easily. So then I really don't know. I don't know. But then, such case, patience is really sort of the important matter. Time factor. Something goes wrong. Now, recover, I think from good to bad, change from good to bad, but quite easy. From bad to good, take time. And need more effort, so naturally need more patience. So the other day, when my flight from Tokyo to Seattle, the whole night, one couple, two children. At the beginning, very nice. I also see. Give some candies to the young, you see, the young boy. I think boy, and one girl. Then the whole night, the elder one sleep quietly, but the younger one always is shouting, crying, and moving like that. Then eventually, father just, you see, remain silent in sleep. The mother, whole night, taking care. When the child is shouting, take, and doing something, walking like that. So at that time, I felt, oh, I'm that, if I were, you see, that position, I may not have that sufficient patience. Thank you. Good. Oh, I think it's the last one.